Assalamualaikum my dear students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am also fine. Here I am Kamrun, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 5, today I am going to take your Bangladesh and Global Studies class, and our today's topic is short question answer from chapter 11. So let's start our class. And the name of this chapter is Ethnic Groups in Bangladesh. So all of you can take your book and go to chapter 11. So short question number 1. Where do the Garo people live? And you will get the answer from your book, from the map of the Bangladesh which is given in your book. Now look, and our answer is majority of the Garo people live in districts of Mymensingh and Tangail. Number 2, what is the main festival of the Garo? And we know that the main festival of the Garo is what? Yes, Wangala. And answer, the main festival of the Garo is called Wangala. Number 3, which ethnic groups have matriarchal society? So which ethnic group? There are 2 ethnic groups in your book and they have matriarchal society, and what are they? Could you remember? Yes, the Garo and the Khashi. And the answer is the Garo and the Khashi people have matriarchal society, and the matriarchal means the mother is the head of the society. Number 4, what is a Tripura collective group called? And what is the answer, my dear students? Yes, it's called DAFA, and the answer is a Tripura collective group is called a DAFA. Number 5, how do the Khashi people entertain their guests? And how do could you remember? Yes, with battle leaves and nuts and tea. So the answer is they entertain their guests with battle leaves, nuts and tea. Number 6, in which ethnic group there is a ritual to pierce children's ears? Which ethnic group could you remember? Yes, you will get the answer from the Moro ethnic group. And the answer is the Moro have a ritual to pierce the children's ears at the age of 3. So when the children reach 3, they pierce the ear of the children. Now next question, number 7. Who is the chief god of the Khashi? And who is it? Yes, Ublai Nangtu. So the answer is the chief god of the Khashi is Ublai Nangtu. And be careful about the spelling of the Ublai Nangtu. Now look, Ublai Nangthu, Nangthu. Number 8, whose language is Monkhem? And whose language is Monkhem? Could you remember? Yes, the Khashi tribe speak in this language. And the answer is Monkhem is the language of the Khashi. Now number 9, what is the most delicious food of the Mro? Could you remember the name of this delicious food? Yes, and the delicious, the name of the delicious food is Napi. And what is it? Yes, a fish paste. And the answer is the most delicious food of the Mro is a kind of fish paste called Napi. Now the next one, number 10, what are Tripura houses raised up on? And what are? Yes, they raised up on stairs. So answer is Tripura houses are raised up on stairs. Number 11, what is the main food of the Orayan? And what is it? Yes, just like the Bangladeshi people, their main food is rice. So the answer is the main food of the Orayan is rice. Number 12, what do the Mro call their house? And the answer is what? Kim. Yes. So the Mro call their house Kim. Now number 13, what is the main festival of the Orayan? And what is the main festival of the Orayan? You will get the answer from the topic 5. And what is it? Yes, Karam or Karma. So our answer is their main festival is Karam or Karma, which is celebrated on the 11th day. That means it's a full moon of the month of Bhadra. So on the 11th day, when it is a full moon, they celebrate their main festival, and the name of the main festival is Karam or Karma. Number 14, what is the name of the Garo language? Could you remember? Yes, the name of the Garo language is Achi, and it's not written, it's only spoken because it's not, it doesn't have any alphabet of its own. Number 15, how many Dafas are there in Tripura society? Yes, and we know that there are total 36 Dafas, and some of them are in Bangladesh and some of them are in India. So my dear students, there are 15 short question answer, and you will do any 5 question answer as your homework, and this is homework number 9. So from chapter 11 you will do short questions, any 5. So you will do any 5 questions as your homework in your HW copies, and you will maintain the question number. You can do 3 or 11, 12 or 15, but you must mention the question number. So be careful about the question number, and you will do any 5 question answer from these short questions, from these 15 short questions as your homework. So my dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic. Dear students, all of you will do your assigned homework in your HW copies. It's very important because your SBA, CT and diary marks will be given on the basis of the submission of your homework copies. Do your homework regularly and submit it on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. So my dear students, practice a lot, study regularly and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.